So in this video, I'm going to tell how you can install Python in your computer and set up your VS Code for Python programming. So as you able to see, I had to go for the Python org, and inside Python org, there you will get the tab for downloads. If you click on the downloads, so you will able to see all of the Python version that you can able to download. So the latest version is Python 3.9.5, and you can download any other version as well. Python 3.8.10, Python 3.9.4, like this. So for now, I'm using the Python 3.9.2. So after download, just follow the installation process for the Python. And once you install the Python, so just go to your VS Code. And in VS Code, I'm going to just create a file called hello.py. So py is the extension for the Python. So before going to create any file or write any Python code, so just set up your VS Code. I'm going to install one extension here. Just write Python, and this is by Microsoft. I'm going to install this extension. So this is installing. Yeah, it has been installed. So now just create a file called hello.py. py is the extension for the Python. So I'm going to use here like print hello, and if you're able to see here, there is a play button, run Python file in terminal. So I just run it. There you can see I got the output of hello, but you can see there I able to see the path here as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just clear this. So let import OS. From OS, I need to import the system, and I'm going to use here system. Inside it, I'm going to pass the clear. So what it will do, it's going to clear your terminal, and it will show you the output here. So if I'm going to clear from here, and let's run the program, there you can see I got the output. So now Python is set up for your VS Code. Also, you can do the debugging as well. So let me little bit zoom this one. So if I'm going to use here, let something variable called message. The message is hello world. And inside the print function, I'm going to pass message. So I'm going to save this, and you can go for debugging as well. So if I click on run, there you can see you can start the debugging as well. But before start the debugging, you just need to add breakpoint. So I'm going to add one breakpoint for message, and then for print. So if I'm going to run, start debugging. Now, then after you need to choose your debug configuration. Here I'm going to use Python file, and debugging start. So there you can see it came here, and if I step over, there you can see the function variable. I got the message hello world value assigned in it, and there you can see I got the output here hello world. So this is how simple you can set up your VS Code for your Python programming. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.